Hi, it's Carol with a real estate quick tip. The weather's turned warmer and you might think about getting out and doing some prospecting in neighborhoods, going door to door, maybe knocking on some doors and asking people if they'd like to sell their home, or maybe prospecting around an open house you have coming up. Even maybe doing a festival or something where you have a table and talk to people about buying and selling a home. So here's a tip for you. Always have something of value that you can offer people. It makes it a lot easier to make the knock on the door, or to grab somebody at an open house or when you're prospecting for open house and say, hey, I've got this whatever, would you be interested in that? And one way that you can do that also is to take Realtors Property Resource and create a market statistics report for a neighborhood. Print that out in color and take that with you when you walk, and then you've got something tangible with you that you can offer people. But don't give them your only copy. Get their email address and email it to them right away. You can download the RPR app to your phone, sit there or stand there right on their doorstep and say, let me get your email address so I can email this to you. It serves two purposes. You're showing them that you're a neighborhood expert and you're giving them something of value, and you're getting an email address, and follow that up and ask them if you can also contact them in the future with any information they might want about their neighborhood. So that's your tip for today. Use RPR or some other way of getting market statistics and give people something of value when you knock on their door. So you're not just making a call to ask them whether they want to move, but you're also telling them that you are the local expert. As always, until next time, make it a great day.